Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Ujuan barla ubalong umentri jong kasorkar pedeng ubakmi ya Ministry of Minority Affairs ha ka kalparaterik urumpang arjar Plie ulale jengo ya ka karkhana maumlu Cera Cement Limited kabalakang kardap hadu menta kabadan ha ka than sora Ubarla ulali jengo ya kanika karkhana penmi daubilat hasua banhiar syaka senong nong thmai kabahap hapo ka ilaka mausmai banyalap election na kabenta ka kertong jong ka BJP ka kong arena hnyauta kabay khun na Shella constituency habakaran hakjialang ujuan barla ula penpau bakathong bahakmat ya jong ka BJP kalong Lada ki paiba jong ka Shella constituency kijiat ya ka BJP hakani ka kenti mau bat ka kong arena hnyauta kin shimkhia ban penyang biang ya ka karkhana Mccl ka balong ka pliangja jong ki paiba babun jong ka than sora ka kertong jong ka BJP ka kong arena habakaran hakjialang kalapan pau ba ka jingmi syakmat ban pan jinggersan na ki paiba ban penkob bore ka kalong halor ka nongrim bakamla satya ban supet ya ka jingsem jing e jong ki duk kisuk ha ka than Shella khamtam ha ka por ba ka khlam jingpang COVID-19 kalawan ling shop akhani ki jilla Meghalaya kat hadu kala pinsu sat ya ki babun kilong yeng bar ka bala pelong ru ya ka ban kenier ya laki kiti kat ba kala ban poi ya ki la jingarap.
Suppose today we are suffering. Before there is a cement industry was there, already closed. There is a MLA. Why he don't arise? Many people they work on that cement factory. Now that closed. Many workers working over there. Now they will no work. Many family run by that cement factory. Now that maybe I don't know how many years has closed that factory, I don't know. But before here UDP MLA has win, but he never arise his voice in assembly to open that, reopen that cement factory. Why? Why we select the leadership? Why we vote to a leadership to development our community? Yes. Why we gave for vote? Why we came here to vote to select the right person to development of our area, of our community? So why should I select that person that he will not arise his voice to development our community? And only Modi can solve these problems. No other party, only BJP can solve. 70 years has already passed till today that cement factory has closed. No industry. Where the people of this area, where they will work, where they earn the money to development their family. And why should I give to vote them? You know before what Modi has given. Maybe in of this area, many people they don't know about the BJP. They didn't give to Modi as a vote. But when we are fighting with the COVID-19, no other party stand behind us. Only who stand with us? Only Modi. He gave the food at that time. He gave the vaccine. Any other party has come to serve our people? राशन देने के लिए आया कोई? उस समय कौन आया? मोदी जी आया. मोदी जी ने राशन दिया. जनधन अकाउंट जिन्होंने खोला था उसको 500 रुपया दिया. बहुत सारा मोदी जी ने दिया. और कोई उस समय खड़ा होने वाला नहीं था, ना कांग्रेस ना टीएमसी ना यूडीपी, ना एनपीपी। आज वर्तमान सरकार एनपीपी सरकार क्या दिया है? राशन मोदी जी दे रहे हैं, गैस मोदी जी दे रहे हैं, वैक्सीन मोदी जी दे रहे हैं। बाकी इस गवर्नमेंट ने क्या दिया है? They didn't give anything. So now we have to believe Modi. सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, सबका प्रयास. We have to believe सबका साथ. We have to unite it. Without unity, we cannot development. And now you have to believe. किसको विश्वास करेगा? To whom I will believe? UDP party. They have closed the cement factory. NPP party, I will believe. They have closed that factory. No industry, no school, no college, no hospitals, no health center, no road. All this road I have seen. Who made Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana? Only Modi has made. Where they have done, all fund comes from the central. Only corruption. I have seen all the village, everywhere their milestone is there. We can serve our people. When our government will come, we'll make an industry. There is a many types of stone is there, miles is there. The central government will come to research this area. What is the industry will we do for better of this area? Nobody. They have no power. They have no agenda to development this area. Only they will come. Before also they have come to vote. After they have gone, they didn't come 5 years. Today also you will give them vote and they will not come again. And Modi sitting on Delhi and Modi government as a minister, as a minority minister. We can do many things through our ministry. They are not aware. Our Christian people are not aware with the ministry, with the scheme. There is 100 types of schemes out there to development our community. But we Christian people are far from the politics. I want to say, here sitting our village leader, our father and pastor, all bishop, I used to say, what I used to say, for all over India, our Christian people are very poor in politics. Yes, we have a power to build a doctor, engineer, IPS officer, even political leader. What we have given, what our Christian contribution to the nation, what I want to say in this stage. What our contribution from the Christian community for the nation, I want to say. Win from here, he will direct us to Modi to development this area. She will direct us to central minister as a zone Bangla. And we both will be the power. After getting power, we will talk to our Prime Minister, our coal minister, our mine minister, to development this area. There is many things to do. And she will be the bridge of this area. Suppose today I am the bridge of our community, of our minority community. Let us climb here. Let us climb up this area. You climb. We are the bridge. Tomorrow we will be the bridge of our community. Let us, whatever issue, whatever problem, whatever development, we will reach to Delhi. No other party can do all this development. Only Modi can do. So you have to vote for Modi. Only Modi can. Don't think so that Modi is Hindu party is. अरे ये बोल के हमको कुछ मिलेगा क्या? यहाँ पर 90% Christian are there. And before with the COVID, who gave ration? Who gave rice? Who gave wheat? Another party they didn't get. Only Modi. क्या उस समय बोला मोदी जी कि क्रिश्चियन है उस स्टेट में नहीं देंगे, ऐसा बोला क्या? बोला क्या? तो फिर why we are thinking our Erna sister, he will win, she will win, and after winning again I will come, I will make here one resident school through our ministry.
Kamu way Nyngkong Christian baga judan man kapor bad ba elhek hamte apo pentor umkra fungsi nadi usam kendai popra ngaladan badi hadu gini gisi ki bamanta ni kai kabaki ong ba ka BJP ka persya Kristan kamde iba elhek udai ukul Kristan iba tiap sengat iba bangpa etar blay idai ba iu ikun Kristan kumna ki ong baka BJP kadai ba persya Kristan kata baru kadai tang jing krauti nama ba kadai ka propaganda election ki pun ki jing keno boleh paujai re WhatsApp ya kita ki AK baro kadai kamon ke jonga ba kamon ke jongpi Tishwa ni pai sekat tu kena gemak habide bak NPP kumno kiong bagi ai dah kot hana ka Bible nu kena kot no kamla bandong ka Bible kena wanswa hang neri khasi jongi dendai ka kot pula kena wanswa ngada pula ngala school ngala pula ABKD dai uklai wadi AFN ngasu ating hang ngala pula goi kot sim di kabong sim kelai do di dedang ai bun imei kendia la kedang kading ong bisa cinta sekarang kling klang di umsit keblang dendai ngai kini kerang ba bedal sedin jangan kena pelai bakung ketakut Hindrai ka kot bak NPP ka aim ka bang jatuh pi ngadan kijing siang ni ngan sai minta pesi ya ka kot jong ka NPP kai ka kertang jong ka kot jong ka tak NPP hang ne ngadal kisi sia nama ngadi nom to bang juto articles na ka por ha ka por ka kertang jong ka tak kot ka bak NPP ka ai tolong hang ne kadai ken siap ka kertang jong ka tak kot NPP kamu kumlo kamu nong tu bisa padba dendai kata dia ka konjot nong tu bisa padba dendai ngajan kijing shisha laki no Kristen yang NPP lada ke UDP kinut beri challenge ngaru ngakhoi jadi bet berki balana baki ki jabela set yang asi artajim hapo podok ngam kuslai lada ke jab ngayaki nan pain tang san pau tingka kai ke burung ke betam dendai kijing shisha ki dan hang habang ayat seperti tan boror tangga doga resmi ngawan badi kong badi arab asal imbar step kita khar kepada sisi border kong iba kong arina jitega iba kong arina jitega boot for yalogin boot nadu dalia hadu isyamati nadu mamlu nadu mau lu hadu ha mau smai tang kawai ni dia teli hakar penyutrik ya ikong ya kabut ya I arina hilta kabut in ai dendai
na central bangan yo kejat ang dia po Shella kadai ke jing mentor jong pi kipai ba na mar ngala juya kran na kadai ka por sa kapor ba kadai ke Shella constituency kalong kata ka ba ngidan hau number 0-0 tengangen scam ba kipai ba jong ka Shella constituency kibahap sa kadai ka Upperland kidan hapdang ka jing kedok ka jing jenjar ba ka jing e kini lightly ki benta ki bangilai I menta kamati jong ka life usan snem syai kala jendap hisau kau tedan ki brio ki ba benta bria ki ba hong ba ikong rina idang themai ken mau ikong rina imde syo iba themai la he la san la khai I po Shella saudang ngala ya thap ya kabut nadu por bangadang jenjar adu kat kini kisngi ki ba menta bangayat lenti tekawai na ginong song sinong apo Shella ngadai kawai na ginong song sinong ka ba pek pini abad ba wag bahaya kata ka jingja ka bangi ngilayo mat tiang ai kublai ru ya I samla itai bagyong kideki lawai ba pernai jong ka betang ka balasya ka sngi jong ka state jong I iba biki mar banyang ba bila ya I ru YouTube komno isya bandeng komutau samla ubadai utau machine designer jong kari bat ka jai bendrio ka jongi kani kan kalong ka jing syaban beng jong ki kon samla na yang ang ne kong kata ka long keme ban ker bandai ya kita ki samla kiba ka we lagi rang ba apo Shella wong yang kai ka thong jong ka jing yang election jong bi kong ngong di hap di san ken mau ka baning kong ngadai ka riu ret pat bat ka baan ngadai ka long keme bat ka ba kam kerpang na represent na menta ka ri bat ka jaj benrio kata ka dai ka menta ka ba kongsan bat ka ba kama jirong na kini ngong ya I ngai jubab ngong kabut ayu banlet banyak kon apo yeng da bar thawan banlet thaw ya ka an ne ba ne banlet de ayu apo yeng da bar thawan nya te ba ngalapan kre ya ka an chua ka baningkong ka an ka dai ka badam kam ba Lada Kleman dan development. Kumno kita gibaduk kita waya kahok na kasarkar Lada Kleman. Kumno kita gikun samla kita waya kahok Lada Kleman. Tenganen scam bau pada jong ka Shella. Ulong ba kindet benreu. Baga nega election to shim khia teng kum ka kamyap ka kamim. Shim khia teng kum kata ka kam ka pitrai sitam na mentaki khun. Shim khia teng kom kata kalawai ba phnai jong ka jai benreu kani kadai ka ba ka election ka ba kerpang ba Shella mentau snem bat kendian ngan siu thu kana lengkot ye pi hoi kadai nang phi na po sabar ndai ka kme jong kadai na so ra ngadam bak ba kadai kata ka khun arima banyo banyak khun hangne po Shella namar ngasa ahap pedeng jong ka donut jong ka Shella ngayo I lot sadang tawiar ya ke jing jenjar yang dipajba ya ke jing jong dipajba ya ke jing yeng banya lagi kun samla bandawai ya ke jing ki baki ki ma wat menero tu union minister fitem persya badu lapen shisha lagi bau de pastor balai ulik ngam jelia kan ka kam sign politics ban kentiu ya ki riurit pat ban kentiu ya ki kestan lada udan la kabor udon kataka jing syakri ki daga lenti ka ba kin wan ra ya ka roi ka par dengan sausarong ya union minister jambala bau dai na ki wei ki riurit pat kristan ndrai udon ba ka seng BJP na menta kadi ba ka jai benriu na menta kita gi khon kristan ki badan hapo ka ribe jengi Mccl bariat railang na menta ka bahagamiat ka emlang ka salang tengawan ang ne ban ai kublai khadu ya pi ki pai ba kanega de ka sin ka ba khadu kharwai jong ka Shella ba ap sinyo ta de kan mau ba kan long ka tien kan long ka dawai what ai ba ka pisa kam sin shar ya pi ai ka jing dawai jong pi kan long kata ka bor ba klan hang ne Shella nangai scam ba iwei pe iwei ba nang ne kan ki badan apa tingkong yen so ba pensya skor namar kaktien ka akor ka buram bat ke jing skawret amdani ai hang ne perthei kaspa kala banle kala banwan rei ka buram sita jingem ninyo hakmat jong ublei Tetanggi ni kikentian, kuplai shibun, kuplai syajarmu, ya pergi pai ba baro, bat kumjo ya gini girang ba, kibelai wan banya semran, hakan dikasngi, bat kumjo rui kisamla jong kadikas nong nong tumai, wat ai bakan dikanong tumai, kanong rim, kanong kabarim, ai katakan nong tumai, kanong katakan nong tumai, kabapen tumai, ya kari bagajai benria kabapen tumai, ya kasnong katau kabapen tumai, ya ki kup chiliang ki sem chiliang kabapen tumai, ya ki long kemi ki bamat ya ke jing e haru kom man lakasni tetanggi ni ki kentien ko blai shibun ko blai shidarngo ublai yapi unkurku bat unte song ya ke jing e chepta jingem